YouTube, Big Edster here. What is going on? There is a segment going around, What Did You Buy Wednesday, by Joe at Big Sky Model Works. And this came in today. I cut it open so I didn't bore you with that, but let's see what's in the box. On Facebook, there is a Auto Modeler LLC. Pretty good prices on stuff. Let's see what's in the box. There's where I ordered it from. Okay. Oh, nice. The Dan Gurney Lotus. Ice cream truck. Who scream? We scream. We're all scream for ice cream. Got the Hilux, the new old school. Oh yeah, this is what I was waiting for. The old Fiat. Like I say, guys, if you ought to go over and check this out, they got some really, really good prices. Got this Ram Charger. I built this when I was really, really young. Now I'm really, really old, so I'm going to build it again. See what I did there? This was actually one that I was looking for building. I think that is super, super cool. Super, super cool. And then through all of this time, I never got one of these. So he had them on there at a good price, so I bought one. I need to buy another one, though, because I like to go in twos. All right, this is a eBay find here. Let's see what's in this box. Sorry, guys, I should have had this done already. All right, this is for next year's small-scale group build. I seen that Hornby kit, Mustang. That was a great-looking kit, so I found this. This was at a great price. I mean, these things are going for over $100, but that is eBay price. But I did not pay near that, so not even a fraction of that for this. But I thought it was pretty cool. All right, guys, that is my segment on What Did I Buy Wednesday. This is Big Edster. I'm going to go build one of these models. Peace!